Hey guys, welcome back. We're here in Verdea, second village ni Alveo in Southmont. So this is part of the Verdea village. Ayan. And this is still pre-selling pala, no? Ganda ng Verdea kasi madami siyang open space, greeneries, mas malaki yung clubhouse niya and amenities. Tapos yung cut ng lote, mas malaki. Ano tayo? Walk tour. And this is all Verdea. Rolling terrain siya. Rolling terrain. So, maganda yung buhay dito kasi rolling. Saka mag-jogging. Ayan. Napakalamig. Good evening. Ayun o. Ang ganda ng sunset. Kahit gabi na, may nabuto pa din tayo. Alright. And then, basta pag Ayala guys, fast moving ang inventory. We launched this at 2022 or 2023. Tapos ang price per square niya at that time nasa 39 or 38. Ngayon 44 na siya. 44 na nag-average ang price per square. Historically talaga, Ayala has a strong track record. Nag-start kay Nuvali. Dahil sa success ng Nuvali, tinemplate siya to other estates din. Alabang, Broadfield, tapos Vermosa ngayon. And yung naging next na project ni Ayala is what's next to South Metro. And now this is Southmont. Welcome sa Silang Cavite. This is our second village. Kung gusto nyo ng malamig na hangin, malapit sa Tagaytay and Nuvali. Tapos, ang mga construction update as of March 2025 today, there will be a launching of a commercial lot at Southmont, okay? Tapos, meron tayong expansion ng kalsada from here sa Silang to West Grove para magkaroon din ng access yan. And then, ano pa ba mga access updates ngayon? Meron din tayong sports complex na i-launch. And for more info, I'd love to send you a proposal. Drop a comment. Okay? Hope to see you guys again on the next vlog. Bye!